Welcome to the aircraft. My name is Todd. I'll be your captain. This is a Wednesday, Tuesday. I don't know what day it is. It's the week between Christmas and New Year's, so it's hard to tell what day it is. But we came out to the airport. We're going to do a little airplane flying. And one of the thoughts I had was to perhaps do the 3 airport challenge, which is something I like to do when I'm out and about here in the Jackson area. So what we do is we start out here at John Bell Williams, and then we head over to Hawkins Field, which is a towered airport in the middle of Jackson there. Then we go up to Madison, which is a pilot-controlled airport.
John Bell Williams, traffic, Cessna 429, left base for 30, John Bell Williams, traffic.
John Bell Williams, Raymond traffic, Cessna 3067 Victors, taking runway 30, remaining in the pattern at Raymond.
And John Bell Williams, Raymond traffic, 429 are clear over runway 30 on Charlie, taxi, Heinz Hangar, John Bell Williams, Raymond.
All right, let's see. Come around to 30 on the runway, 30 on the DG, 30 on the compass. Gauge is green. We go. Slight crosswind from the right. Keep our crosswind correction in. 55 and rotate. Miles per hour. A slight crosswind, so we want to put that right wing into it. Use the rudders, straighten ourselves out, put 30 right in the window, 70 miles per hour. Runway is made. Out of a person, all the way down the runway. All right, carb heat in, flaps up, and go. Raymond traffic, 67 Victors, turning a left base, 30 at Raymond. 80 miles per hour. Do not see anybody on final, coming around to 030. Picking it at 80, losing about 300, 400 feet per minute. Looking good, looking good. Raymond traffic, 6M Victors, base to final runway 30, touch and go at Raymond. All right, 75, need to pull this over. We've got 2 white lights, so we're a little high. On 1002, 1003. 20 degrees of flaps. The swirling winds. 75 miles per hour down to 70. Looking at 30 in the window. A little below glide slope now, 70 miles per hour. Alright, we got runway made. Down here, come on down. Alright, carb heat. Rolled her right on. Full power, 60. Rotates. We're up.
John 1 turn traffic, 6-7 Victor's on the go, runway 30. We're going to depart straight out and then turn to the north at Raymond. Hawkins Tower, Cessna 3067 Victor's, 9 miles to the northwest of the airfield, inbound touch-n-gos.
November 306 Hawkins Tower, roger, enter left downwind, runway 34, wind 330 at 9er, altimeter 3033.
All right, 3033 and a left downwind for 34 for 3067 Victor.
Cessna 67 Victor, wind 320 at 10, cleared for the option, runway 34, number 2.
Clear for the option number 3, runway 34, number 2 for 67 Victor.
2, 3. One, 2, 3. All right, carb heat.
Cessna 3, done uniform, roger, and contact Jackson departure.
Runway's made, power to idle.
And Hawkins Tower, we'd like to go one more time with you, 67 Victor.
Cessna 67 Victor, roger, make left traffic.
Left traffic for 67 Victor.
All right, we got the 3-4 rights in the windshield. Wind looks to be mostly right down the runway, a little gusty. 70, 65, so we need to pitch down a little bit. All right, flaps up, carb heat up.
And Tower 67 Victor is going to head over to Madison.
Cessna 67 Victor, roger, turn right on course.
Right on course, 67 Victor, you have a good day.
Thank you, sir. No traffic observed between you and Madison. Frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved for 6 Victor. Madison traffic, 6-7 Victor's base to final, 3-5, touch and go, Madison.
All right, we're high on the glide slope. We've got 70 miles per hour dialed in. We've got 20 degrees of flaps. Slightly squirrely winds, but probably 320 like over at Hawkins. In fact, that's what the dock looks like it's saying. It's a little squirrely. All right, 2 red, 2 white. Flaps up, car beat. There's 2 Delta Sierra, sitting there on the ramp, ready to go tomorrow.
Madison traffic, Cessna 2139 uniform, 5 miles from the north, going, established on the BR-17, going to circle west, and a left downwind for 35 Madison.
And Madison traffic, Cessna 6-7 Victor is on the go, 3-5, a straight out departure from 3-5, 6-7 Victor. Traffic 6-7 Victor is crossing the field at across midfield, and we will enter a downwind for 30 at Raymond. And Raymond traffic 6-7 Victor is entering a left downwind runway 30 at Raymond. Our base. Raymond traffic 6-7 Victor is turning a left base runway 30 at Raymond. And Raymond traffic 6-7 Victor is base to final runway 30 at Raymond. Full stop. 1002, 1003. All right, 30 degrees of flaps. Raymond traffic 6-7 Victor's clear the active. Taxi back to the T hangars at Raymond. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the 3 airport challenge. Hope you had fun. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Getting some subscribers going. Need more and more and more and more and more.
but we're happy to have you along. You enjoy this kind of flying. We'll be doing some more of it.